Hey YouTube, this is Curious Kathy, and on this travel vlog, we are visiting Kawasan Falls in Cebu. It is considered one of the most breathtaking natural attraction in the Philippines. It is known for its turquoise blue waters, lush jungle setting, and cool atmosphere. It took us like 30 to 40 minutes drive from Walboal to Kawasan Falls. And we are going to Kawasan Falls. Okay, you take one of these habal-habal, these guys on motorbikes, and they will take you all the way in. It's kind of rocky. To get in, you pay 200 pesos for the entrance fee, and then you have the option or walking all the way to the falls or ride with the habal-habal or the motorbike. It's 100 pesos for the habal-habal ride and 50 pesos for your parking fee. Located in Badian, Cebu, this famous waterfalls have 3 levels. The most iconic is the first level, which is perfect for swimming. The second and third levels are smaller, quieter, and great for exploring or relaxing. For this visit, we are exploring the first level. Another popular activity here is the canyoneering. So if you have time and the guts, just go right ahead, you brave people, and have a lot of fun. Now Kuya drops us off here before we go on the bridge. And we're going on the bridge. It's a 5-minute walk from here. The habal-habal dropped us off. There's 100 pesos for the habal-habal. Maybe 50. Depends how I'll wait for you all. But take a look at this. See, you can go through the river like those guys. And go from there. Okay, here we go. We got Kuya making his special donut here in Kawasan Falls. And this is made of?
Cacao.
Cacao po. Pati yung mga ano niya, made of cacao eh.
Thank you.
Okay. We are at the Kawasan Falls, first falls. Height is 14 meters, deep is 7 meters. Wow. Okay. If you're coming from Cebu City, it takes about 3 hours by bus or car. With crystal clear milky blue waters, we present to you Kawasan Falls. We are here. However, before we take a look at the falls, I want to show you something. Okay, we went from there. Up here. Want to see what's in there? These 3 are bats. Bats. Lots of bats. And pretty is not the word with the describe here is absolutely breathless, stunning, beautiful. And you know we love waterfalls here in Peru. Love waterfalls. Wow. Okay, I don't know what happened to the raft. They used to have a raft here, but I don't see no raft anymore. I'm not sure. And then we got police. Ooh, security. And this is your Kawasan Falls. Ganda dito. Look at the turquoise water. Very blue. Dito yung canyoneering. But we're going to the canyoneering. Nag-snake na kami. 3 words I would describe Kawasan Falls: as serene, tropical, and picture perfect. And he's attempting to get in the water. The water is very cold, so you gotta sit down first. The kids. Okay, we cut that. Actually, in the video. Uh-oh. Oh, it's okay. That's funny. Yeah, look at this. Okay. This is relaxing after a long ride. Not bad. Oh, look at this. Ang daming corny dito. Ang daming corny. Not bad.
Last one. Bye-bye, Kawasan.
Actually, it's my second time at Kawasan Falls, and both were beautiful experiences. And we're just done with Kawasan, and we're going back. So there's Kawasan. Goodbye, goodbye. And we're going back. It's almost 5 o'clock. It's time to go. And over here, we just come across this old bridge. Wow, look at that. And we're going back to the parking lot. So if you have time and you are brave enough, go do the canyoneering experience. But for us, we're off to Oslo, Cebu to check out the whale sharks. But that is another video. I hope you guys liked the video as we took you to Kawasan Falls in Cebu. Make sure you put this place on your bucket list. This video was brought to you by the Waltz Villa Tagaytay. Come stay with us when you're visiting Tagaytay. Then again, take care, God bless, and remember to enjoy your life. This is Q's Kathy. See you in the next video.